Hello there! So in this video I will show you my version of the Terran add-ons. The Terran army has a particular feature that some of the buildings can have add-ons, which are the physics lab, which allows the battle cruiser construction after you have built a starport with attached a control tower, and you build a science facility. You build the physics lab add-on, and in a physics lab add-on you can research the Yamato cannon ability of the battle cruiser, which is a focused energy beam that goes on a specific target, and his ability that is energy based, so the energy has to be recharged, which means you have to wait some more time between one Yamato cannon and another one. And the Colossus reactor. The Colossus reactor gets a plus 50 energy to the maximum cap of the battle cruiser. A battle cruiser without a Colossus reactor is a maximum of 200 energy, and with the Colossus reactor has a maximum of 250 energy. So that's it for the physics lab. Here there is an add-on that is can still be attached to the science facility, and here is how I made it. And the science facility can have only one add-on at one time. So if you want to have a science facility with both add-ons attached, you have to build one science facility for the physics lab and another science facility which you build the covert ops. That is the covert ops. The covert ops allows the building, the training of the Ghost, which is a Terran infantry unit. Go see the Terran infantry unit video for more details. Yeah, in this add-on you can research the augmentation for the shooting range of the Ghost, which is called optical implants, the cloaking device for the Ghost, which is the personnel cloak, the ability to block a mechanical unit, which is the lockdown, that is very useful for example against big mechanical units like battle cruisers, like carrier, etc, etc. And the reactor for the Ghost, which augments the energy from 200 to 250. Same story. This add-on is for the factory, and that is the machine shop. The machine shop has has more research in the Broodwar expansion, because in the Starcraft 1, the original, has only the siege tank ability to go to siege mode, from tank mode to siege mode. I suggest to watch the Terran Factory Units video that I made before for further more details. This bad boy can upgrade the siege tank to only tank mode, to siege tank that has a tank and the siege mode. Can upgrade the Goliath in the Broodwar expansion, not in the original Starcraft. Can upgrade the range of the anti-air missiles, not the anti-ground Gatling gun. In the original Starcraft, there is not the increase of the missile anti-air missile range of Goliath. That is the difference. And two other upgrades, which are the speed of the Vulture and the ability to lay down spider mines also for the Vulture. That is the control tower. It is very reminiscent of our control towers that we have in the airport. Yes, those two 1x4 pieces are supposed to be like those pieces, but those pieces are very, very rare, and I got those 10 pieces, those 10 in number, those 10 yellow 1x4 pieces scattered around the like bridges that are made like this, very simple, that are from one of my old set from 1998. Are pretty rare, but now they're beginning to introduce a new one with the junior set. And that is the back on the control tower. The control tower has quite a bit of functions, because with the control tower you can build dropships, and with the control tower you can research the Apollo reactor, which is the plus 50 energy for the rate, again from 200 to 250, and the cloaking field still for the rate. And the control tower allows the player the construction of the dropship, the Valkyrie, with an armory, already built, battle cruisers with a science facility and attached a physics lab, and I think it is. I think it's that. Yeah. Those two get to the science facility. This gets on the factory. This gets on the starport. The control tower gets on the starport, and those two gets on the command center. The easier is the nuclear silo. As the name suggests, these silos produce one nuke at a time, and the bridge is shorter in scale in the game. Yeah, one nuclear bomb at a time. The nuclear bombs are released by the ghost. A ghost stops in one point of the map. It stays still. He cannot move around the map. Is like beaming on a red spot, the place where the nuclear bomb is going to go down. And in the game, even if you are using the ghost, which means it's an ally, an allied troop, there's a mechanical voice that says nuclear launch detected, even if the ghost is yours. And even if the ghost is from the enemy player or the enemy AI and is not revealed yet, you can reveal the ghost using a detector. You can hear the sound nuclear launch detected. The nuke has costs a lot and also occupies supply space. 8 supply space, so it's basically the supply space of a supply depot. The last one, and you can attach to the control to the command center too, is the SATCOM station. The SATCOM station, as you can see, it has 2 big satellite dishes and some antennas here and there. The SATCOM station is a add-on that is used to reveal for a limited amount of time one area, and the SATCOM swipe in the game, you see like some of like a fairy dust, like sparkles, blue sparkles on the screen. It can reveal for the limited amount of time also hidden, borrowed or cloaked unit in the battlefield. And the ability to do the scan is limited by the amount of energy that the SATCOM has in that particular moment. So, those are the add-ons. This video has been a little longer than the other, but whatever. 6 in 1. Hope you enjoyed. See you the next time. Bye.